Hello everyone, welcome back. After using a $5 journal for some time, I realized I'm getting hang of journaling and should invest in a good one. So I bought this Tsuki Mori bullet journal from Notebook Therapy. I have heard so much about their journals, so I thought why not try it out? They had this deal of 20% off if you add Mori Washi set with this limited edition notebook. So I ordered both of them. The notebook came in this white box, which looked so elegant with this gold foil embossing of stars and moon. Tsuki, which means moon in Japanese, has been integrated so well in their design. The notebook comes in 3 different sizes: original, A5 and B5, but I got the original size. Even though it is a bit smaller than my previous journal, which I believe is A5, I like this size. It feels good holding it in my hands, especially with this handcrafted linen cover in foliage green. I love this color. It has this elegant hand-tied plant illustration in gold foil in front, on the spine, and on the back. And one of its unique features include these golden page edges etched with these lovely illustrations. This green color and these illustrations well represent their collection theme, Mori, which means forest in Japanese. The first page is for writing your name, and if I flip through the pages, they look very smooth, and the dots are light gray with 3 mm of distance. It has total 128 pages with 160 GSM ultra thick paper that I believe would be good for even watercolors. And no more bleeding of markers, hopefully. Yay! On the back, there is a pocket and this lovely paper clip. On the last page, there is this quote that says, "Lost in the forest of my mind, looking for peace and solitude." That's really nice. Also, there are 2 green ribbon bookmarks that would be handy while swapping between go-to pages. And lastly, a matching elastic band closure. Though there is one thing I miss in this notebook, and that's a pen holder. Now let's open this cute and cozy washi set that is known to be inspired by all things Scottish core. This set came in this eco-friendly gift box packaging with these elegant gold foil design. It's a set of 5 washi tapes, and each of them have beautiful forest illustrations with integrated gold foil details. This one is 30 mm foil tape and a 30 mm writing washi. "15 mm lace tape, 7.5 mm foil tape with beautiful illustrations. And a clear 18 mm polyester tape. It would be pretty awesome using these tapes in my journal.
And you wonder who even cares. Whoa. Come back to your breath, don't drift away from me. I will come down to remind you of before. We can fly.
There is one other very cute thing that I ordered from Notebook Therapy. But this package took a long time to arrive.
My dear, swept up and away from
And these are cute capsule mini highlighters in lovely pastel colors.
together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. Whoa, I'll be beside you all alone. My love for you is so strong. We're right where we belong.
Now let's test the pages of this notebook with different pens and paints.
Same old town. Your best kept secrets underground. Oh. Your hand on my chest, my heart beats for you. I keep my arms out and hold you like before. We can fly away from here. We can stay close, my dear. Swept up and away from all our fears. How are we supposed to know on our own? Together we can go slow. Why don't you leave it all to me? I know how hard it all can be. I'm here to hold your hand through this. I'll be beside you all along. My love for you is so strong. We're right where we belong. Together we can go slow.
That's too much of ink from the Posca marker. I added few drops of water earlier to this metallic watercolor to activate it. Wow, look at these golden pigments. Now I used a little bit more water in it. Next we are using watercolors. Now let's try acrylic wash that I believe I would be using a lot in this notebook. Lastly, I want to use this marker from Touchwool that I got in 168 colors. Hopefully it will work out for this notebook. Now let's find out which one will not work for this notebook. Okay, so there are few which played it up to the next page. This last one, the marker from Touchwool, it bleeded a lot. Even the Sharpie bled through. And these graphic markers from Creative, they have also shown a lot of bleeding. The Posca markers you can see on the other side where there was more concentration of the ink. I used a pencil to mark the markers that I can't use in this notebook. One layer of these mini highlighters would be perfect to make the headers. I believe the alcohol markers will not work for this notebook, but water-based markers would be perfect. Well, that's all for today, and I'll be back pretty soon with my 2023 setup in this new notebook.